大家好，
欢迎来到 Mandarin Monkey.
Welcome to Mandarin Monkey Lesson 36.
第36课
Directions.
方向。
So, let's jump straight into the vocabulary you're going to need to know in order to be directed somewhere.
单字右转，右转，左转，左转，直走，直走，在右边，在右边，在左边，在左边，红绿灯，红绿灯。
Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, another form of directions you're going to need to know is north, south, east, west. Just in case you're going to need to know where a city is in the country you're visiting.
北边，北边，南边，南边，东边，东边，西边，西边。
So now we know how to say north, south, east and west. We need to know how to ask some questions so they can tell us where we're going, right?
Yes.
So there are two common ways of asking in Chinese. There are many different ways, but two sort of most common. The first is, how do I get to place?
我要怎么去地方？
And the second way would be, where is place?
地方在哪里？
Okay, so just to explain the sentences very quickly. How do I get to and then place is
地方。
how do I get to
我要怎么去？我
I
要
want
怎么
how
去
go
地方？
place. Okay, so I want how go place.
我要怎么去地
Place.
方？
Okay, let's try and give you some examples. So, how do I get to the petrol station?
我要怎么去加油站？我要怎么去加油站？右转，然后直走。停红绿灯，然后直走。加油站在右边。
Okay, how about how do I get to the post office?
我要怎么去邮局？我要怎么去邮局？右转，然后直走。停红绿灯，然后再直走。邮局在左边。
How do I get to the hospital?
我要怎么去医院？我要怎么去 医院。
Alright, that might be really important getting to the hospital.
左转，然后直走，停红绿灯。医院在右边。
The second way, where is place? Okay, so we live in a city called Taichung, which is kind of in the middle of Taiwan.
台中，
Now, from where we are, where is Taipei?
台北在哪里？台北在哪里？
So, place, Taipei,
在哪里
in where? Right?
？Yes，
Okay. So, where is Taipei?
在北边。
So it's in the north.
Yes， 在
In.
北边。
North's direction. North side? Right?
往北走，
Head north.
往北走。
Head north. Go.
Yes，
Right?
yes，
Okay. Where is Hualien?
在东边。
So it's in the east.
Yes，
Okay.
往东走。
Head east.
Good， 在东边往东走。
What about Kenting?
哦，在南边。
So it's in the south.
Yes，
Okay.
往南走。
Head south.
Yes，
Got it. Right, now we need somewhere over there. Where is Taichung?
Well，
We live there, right?
if you're in 花莲，
Mm.
台中 is 在西边，
So it's west.
往西走，
Head west.
在西边，往西走。
It's in the west. Head west.
Yes，
Great.
very easy。
It's practice time. Okay, guys, I'm going to use English. You're going to use Chinese. I'm going to say some directions in English. You try and say them in Chinese. And then Eula will give you the correct answer. Go right. Then go left. Then the hospital is on the left.
右转，左转，医院在左边。
Go left. Turn right. Turn right. The post office is on the right.
左转，右转，再右转，邮局在右边。
Turn left. Turn left. At the traffic lights, turn right. The petrol station is on the right.
左转，再左转，停红绿灯，然后右转，加油站在右边。
Hi guys! Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you like what you see, please like.
喜欢
If you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe.
订阅 and we both love to teach, so liking and subscribing can help us make more video to help you learn Mandarin.
It really can. If you want us to teach you anything specific, please leave a comment below or just drop us a mail. Alright, thanks very much guys.
Bye bye!
再见